I've been going through phases, lost in different places, trying to find my way back through all the changes. I was moving reckless, heart feeling restless, but your love stayed steady, never disconnected. Even when I fall down, you know, let me go. Even in the dark times, you did show your grace found me when I couldn't see. You stayed with me, now I believe. No be by power, no be by might, you carried me through every night. I know if you deny everything you do, every time I fall, you they pull me through. Now I see the lights, I know they're afraid. Everything I lost, you restore again.